In this video, we'll see a continuation to the Wi-Fi related application that I had created in one of the last video. So I'm in that directory. If I do an index.js and go to localhost 999. Apart from Google Cast, you might be seeing an ADB device. It will be coming in few seconds when it broadcasts its details. So yeah, once it comes, I will show you. That ADB actually is because I have enabled developer options in my TV. So you can do the same by following the steps that I will show. So I have done a pre-recorded video, but it's a TV. I'm not able to do any screen record, so I was doing it from my laptop's camera. So it's not in good quality, but I can show it will be clear. So I'm going to the settings, and in the settings, I'm going to device preference. And in the device preference, I'm going to about device. Here there will be a build menu. That build you need to click multiple times, and it will, for me it is saying you're already a developer, but for you it will show you how many times you need to press more to enable it. And once enabled, if you come back, you'll be able to see the developer options menu. It's not clear. There will be curly braces icon and developers options will show. And once you go inside, you'll have to enable the USB debugging. USB debugging might not be from the Wi-Fi, so just this option being enabled, I think should be sufficient. So yeah, still the ADB didn't come. It's taking time. We'll wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, now ADB came. I just went to that menu again, so I'm not sure if that triggered the broadcast. Usually, this event or this broadcast gets triggered less frequently as per what I have seen from my experience. So right now it doesn't have any option. I'm planning to add some ADB shell options here only, but before that let me show you what an ADB shell is. And before that let me show you how to install it in Windows. So on Android TV side, you have to enable the developer option, and on Windows side, you have to install that ADB tool. So you can just Google search ADB install and you'll be able to get to this link from developer.android.com. Inside it, you need to go to this point, download it here, and inside here you can choose whichever platform you are using. If you are on Windows, you can download this one, and accordingly for Mac and Linux. I have already downloaded it and unzipped it. So let me go to that directory. So mine is this one, platform tool latest Windows, this one, and I have this ADB tool here. So after putting it in anywhere in your, I mean some directory in your Windows, you'll have to set the environment variable. So that you can do by doing start and search for path. You'll get this one. Inside it environment variable, and inside that you have to edit the path, and in that you have to create new and paste the path where the ADB was present. I have already done, so I no need to do it again. I'll cancel. Okay, I'll go back to the shell. I'll take one more prompt. I'll say ADB connect, and here I need the IP. So that IP we can get from this Wi-Fi one. You can see this is the IP. It says port 6466, but it will use 5555. That is the default port for ADB. So not sure what the 646 is actually doing. So yeah, we don't have to specify the port in this command. We just provide the IP, and what it does is this will send a prompt in your TV to click OK. I will show you. I will, 1 second. Let me pause the video, take a screenshot, and show you. So this is the alert that is coming in my TV. I will have to click on OK, but I will pause the video and do because the remote device that I have in my phone, using that same phone I'm doing the recording. So I will pause and click on OK. Now I have done the OK. So when I do run this command again, it will say already connected. So after that, what I can do an ADB shell. Wait, let me try this. Device unauthorized I'm getting. Let me do one thing. I'll do ADB disconnect and I'll connect again. Now let's see if this works this time. I did the OK. In that case, let me do one thing. Let me turn off the developer option and turn it back on. Let's see if that works. So I've turned off ADB. Let me refresh. So ADB is now showing undefined these details. I enabled it again. Let's see if these undefined will change. Okay, even USB debugging I enabled. After that, I was able to see this change from undefined to these values. So if I connect again and do an ADB shell, yeah, now I'm able to go. So there was maybe some issue with some of the environment setup, so I had to disable and enable everything. It's okay. Now once we are into the cell, we can do commands and like we have in Linux like ls or cd. All those commands you can see from event echo $path. You can see this directory system slash albin. If I do an ls to that directory, you'll be able to see all these commands like cat, chown, chroot, and we are interested in one of the special command, that is logcat. It will be log wrapper. I think here, yeah, logcat. This one. So if you do an logcat, you'll be able to see all the events happening on your TV. So I think this AM or PM command is there. Let me see that. Or let me try list. I think it's PM. Hmm. Hmm. This is how we are able to see all the packages. And for example, for YouTube, we can do a grep YouTube. So these are the two coming from YouTube. So let me do a logcat on this one. Logcat, this package. So it will show me all events related to YouTube. Now I can go to YouTube to see more details. You will be, when you're playing a video, you'll be able to see some logs related to which video is getting played, and then you can append it with some other grep commands to get directly that information. So yeah, maybe in a next video I will show those.